What's up, bro? All good? Well, Aurelio is back another time with another great video for you. Are you ready? We start. The Russian Progress is an expendable cargo spacecraft. Progress is derived from the crewed Soyuz spacecraft. The Progress purpose is to deliver supplies at Russian space stations in the past years, and nowadays at the International Space Station. Over the years, the Progress has been continuously improved. In 1986, with the Mir space station in orbit, NPO Energia conducted a modernization of the Progress spacecraft to make it more performing. Progress is told in that moment on Progress M, where the M stands for modified. After these changes, the NPO Energia made other changes to the Progress. These modifications of the spacecraft were developed specifically for the International Space Station. Progress M1 is another variant capable of carrying more propellant to the International Space Station. 11 Progress flew in this configuration. NPO Energia changed the middle section of the spacecraft to allow the delivery of more fuel to the International Space Station. Additionally, propellant tanks were included in the middle section by eliminating the water tanks. 12 tanks with nitrogen and oxygen mix for the station atmosphere were placed on the exterior of the spacecraft, around the neck, between the propellant module and the cargo module. Progress M110, identified by NASA as Progress 11P, was a Progress spacecraft used to resupply the International Space Station. Progress M110 was launched by a carrier rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. This spacecraft docked with the Pirs module on the Russian side at the International Space Station on June 11, 2003. It remained docked for 85 days before undocking on September 4, 2003. This spacecraft carried supplies to the International Space Station, including food, water and oxygen for the crew, and equipment for conducting scientific research. Following undocking, it remained in orbit for a month, conducting an Earth observation mission. It was deorbiting on the October 3, 2003, burning up in the atmosphere over the Pacific Ocean. I decided to make this subject for two reasons. The first reason is because there was no Progress model kit on the market. And the second reason is because I found the 4 tanks located outside, near the neck, interesting. This was the first model kit that I made for marketing. The realization of this model kit wasn't particularly difficult for me. I tried to take care of its details as much as possible. I decided to make it rich in details and make it better than others. Currently, AMK is still the only brand on the market to offer the Progress model kit. In 2008, I wrote an article on the Italian magazine Model Time. I used this way to describe the manufacturing process of this model. This time on 4 pages. The 4-page article was published in July. My purpose by writing this article is to make this subject known and intrigue people. So man, we are done for this time. To stay up to date, and don't forget, your collection is never complete if you don't have the AMK kits inside. Bye and happy holiday, guys. See you!